Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the currency on the Exodus Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Exodus Wallet application on your device, and once you open it up, just log in and you may be prompted to enter your PIN code or biometrics. After proceeding with logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now if you wish to change your currency, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings and More. From here, tap on the Settings button once again, and now you will see various different options, including currency. Tap on the currency option, and then you can choose from the various different currencies that are available. Just choose your desired currency, and now this will be selected. And when you go back to your homepage, you can see the values of various different crypto within the new currency that you have chosen. You can go back to this menu at any point of time to make your desired selection, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Exodus Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.